Yep, hi all, this is obviously the rear end of the DeLorean, so just showing you the status and condition of it. So yeah, left hand side, driver's side, this panel here is good, and if you can see properly, this part here is rusty. This has gone through as well. The parts above this, parts underneath the engine itself seems fine. It's just obviously this sort of inner part here, obviously in a greatly tricky place. This part here as well, it's just all the paint's sort of flaking off, but had a good look inside there, it's all fine. This lower panel here, so excuse the bad camera work if it is. This panel here is good. There's no rust in this panel. It's a bit dented, but it's not bad at all. We go to the other side. Oh, glorious job. Okay. There we go. This panel here's better, I guess. So this part here again is good. Again, the lower panel on this side is also very, very good as well. And there's of course some rust, if that's focused. There's obviously a rusty hole again on the inside part here. The top, from what I can see from the top, it looks good. There's obviously rust there as well, so obviously needs some major skill to, you know, do this. I don't know if you need to cut off this lower panel, you know, to better get into there properly. I'm not sure, or take the body shell off. I don't know, but that is definitely the worst part, as well as of course that front panel on the other video. So don't think it's too bad, you know. There's no rust in the middle, which is good. Just this part here. So yeah, see what someone can do for me, hopefully. Excellent. So obviously it looks a lot worse here because obviously it's dark and dingy, and I'm sort of lighting it up and stuff. But so this, at least the bottle panel looks good. I don't even know if that's been redone actually at some point. But obviously you can see the spot welds, but it could just be where the DeLorean welded it, and they, you know, they don't sort of grind things maybe perfectly flush. So it's a bit there. It's definitely an original panel. It's got ribs on it. Okay, cool, excellent. Thank you.